Kuringana na ruhonge rwa mathomo rwa NITA, undu umwe na rwa uheani wa kothi cia moko rwa TVET, ni hari bata arutwo kuhimbiria kothi cia moko riria maracagura kothi mathukuru-ini. Muikariri giti ruhonge-ini ruru RURI augite bata munene ni guthondeka mieke ya mawira na njira ya gutigirira arutwo ni mathomera kothi iria ingimateithiriria gwithondekera mieke ya mawira ithenya-ini ria kwihoka mawira ma kwandikwo.
This is where the bottom-up economy is. Any student that leaves the industrial training in this country, automatically they are employed 95%. Because they use their fine motor and their skill to do an activity that will give them bread and assist themselves and their families.
Augite maranyitanira na ruhonge rwa uheani wa kothi cia moko gukinyaniria undu uyu kuona arutwo aingi maremagwo ni gutua matua makinyaniru kumana na wagi wa motaro gwakinya ni ucaguri wa kothi.
Skill labor of our country that is going out of the country contributes more than any other exports that we are doing out, we are taking out, which means our return as human resource who work outside, our return is even superseding what we export outside.
Maya meyumiritie hindi ya monanio ma kothi itiganite kuri arutwo makiria ma 600 mwena wa Naikuru, kuria ningi atariirie ati mutaratara wa mathomo wa CBC uri na itemi nene kuri arutwo kuona mari na mieke ya kwamukira mathomo ma practicals.
Facilities are very much available and we have seen that the enrollment of students is very less. Our youth, they are normally looking for white collar jobs. That's never enough for each one of us. Any backlog of certificates will be released to the students so that they can use their certificates to go and get jobs and employ themselves.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.